चले पीछे पीछे ये इधर उतरो पीछे दे ये उदय ये मागे अरे संभालो चल 2 1 push में जाएगा take a push बस पीछे ले रो से
as much noise as you can, and please welcome on stage none other than the very gorgeous, the supremely talented Akira A.K. Sonakshi Sinha.
Woo! Hi guys, what's up? Hi.
Okay, so let's take this opportunity to felicitate her. We are extremely excited to have her here this evening. May I kindly invite the principal of MMK College, Dr. Ashok Vanjani, to join us. Let's put hands together for him. Let's welcome Mr. B.B. Singh, sir. Can we also have the BAF coordinator, teacher in charge for consortium, Miss Afsha Kirkire. Can we have Ms. Saurav Mehra, founder and chairperson, consortium? And Yash Ram Shahani, proprietor, Saya Group.
The bigger gift is for Shekhar. I'm very upset.
Well, officially we welcome Ms. Sonakshi Sinha, a very humble daughter of a खामोश man. Well, इतना तो बनता है मुझे एक आध शेर इनके आने पे कहना. आप लोग जानते हो मैं शायर हूँ. नजर नजर से मिली, नजर नजर से मिली, नजर से पी रहा हूं मैं. ये निगाहें आप झुका न देना, कहीं ये समा बदल न जाए. रिंदों की नजर में मैखाना काबे से बढ़कर होता है. रिंदों की नजर में, रिंदों यानी के पीने वालों की नजर से, रिंदों की नजर में मैखाना काबे से बढ़कर होता है. साकी के घर का एक फेरा 100 हज के बराबर होता है.
Thank you very much, sir.
For this new venture.
Thank you so much.
And also convey my regards to your dad. I had the opportunity to see him in 71 at Ranbir Kapoor's marriage. Yeah, way before you were born. And I saw him at this distance. He was wishing the couple. I also was wishing, and then I shook hands with him.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for having me. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, so everybody who's here, we are very excited for this one reason that obviously we have her here, and we are here also to show to you a song. So we're here for the song launch. Are you guys excited for this? So, Sonakshi, let's take a look at the song.
Please, let's. I'm even more excited than you guys. What? Like or love? Love. Yeah!
Okay,
Thank
how
you.
many of you all want this once more? Not like this. You have to say the two magical words. Once more.
Should I sing it for you all? Let's do it.
So when we have Sonakshi here, and for the very first time, she sung for a film this song. So presenting to you her live. Ready? Are you guys ready for this?
Woo! Let's do this. Some drama. I'm going to turn around.
है रंजिशें तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ जिंदगी गुंजाइशें समझौतों की दूर तक दिखती नहीं अब तू जी ले या मैं सांसें लूं जिद कहे जिद करना अज रच रच के मैनू चाहे रुला अज रच रच के मैनू दे दे सजा अज रच रच के दिल सहने लगा दर्द बेदर्दा
Okay, now we have a surprise for you and for her. Okay, so this is a surprise that she doesn't even know about, so let's give this surprise to her. We have a very talented singer who's going to join us, and you know what? That opportunity to sing in one of the films was given to her by none other than Sonakshi Sinha herself. She had picked her out at Indian Idol, and may we please welcome Nahid on stage.
Woo! There you are. Hello. I am so proud of this little girl, and I'm so thankful that she has lent me her voice, lent our film her voice, her beautiful voice, and I'm so happy that I was able to fulfill my promise. And
Thank you so
have
much,
done a supreme job with this song, and thank you, Nahid, for being a part of
Most
Akira.
welcome. Thank to you, ma'am, because you are the one who gave me this awesome opportunity. Thanks to you. So grateful to you, ma'am. Thank
We
you
are
so
honored.
much.
And you might be hearing my song my voice in the promotional song, but Nahid's voice has become immortal because her voice is going to stay with the film, with Akira, and it's going to go on for like ages to come. So thank you for being a part of Akira.
So I think we're very excited to hear that song from her herself. So she sung a version. So Nahid,
Absolutely, yes. I'm going to leave the stage. Nahid, all yours.
Ma'am, please be here, please. रंजिशें तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ ज़िंदगी गुंजाइशें समझा तो भी दूर तक दिखती नहीं अब तू जी ले या मैं सांसें लूं जिद कहे जिद करना अज रच रच के मैनू चाहे रुला अज रच रच के मैनू दे दे सजा अज रच रच के दिल सहने लगा अज रच रच के मैनू चाहे रुला अज रच रच के मैनू दे दे सजा अज रच रच के दिल सहने लगा दर्द बेदर्दा Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Nahid. Thank you.
Most welcome, ma'am.
thank you, Nahid. It's great having you here. And now we've heard you live. We can also hear you in the song. And if you're wondering when, 2nd September. Put it in your calendars as
When?
fast as you can.
When?
2nd September.
Very good. Full marks.
Thank you, Nahid. Okay, now we're going to do something exciting. Okay, now, you know, it's not really always that you get this opportunity, so make the most of it. If I had this opportunity, I would be like, Satve Asman Pe. You get a chance to ask her some questions. So, anybody who wants to ask us something, we're going to take like, say, 4 or 5 questions, maybe. Yeah, we have quite a lot of hands there.
Bas meri class mat lena.
So we have some mics. So before we have the question and answer session for the media, we have some students there who would like to ask you something.
Okay, yeah, I can see you now. There. Where's the mic?
Can we please give her a mic?
Can somebody give her a mic?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Huge fan. Sorry.
Oh, thanks.
I want to ask you, can you tell us some secret regarding this movie?
Secret regarding this movie?
Yeah.
Well, all the secrets are going to be out on 2nd September. It's been one of my most challenging, actually my most challenging and most physically demanding films I've ever been a part of, and I worked really hard for it. So all the secrets, wait for the secrets to come out on 2nd September. I'm sure it'll be worth the wait.
Thank you.
Okay, let's have the second question.
Yeah, can I ask something? Yeah.
Where, there? Behind?
Yes, please. Can we get on the mic, please?
Shout, दिखा दो कितनी बुलंद है तुम्हारी आवाज.
I'll say. Hello.
Hello.
So I
Where are
wanted-
you?
Yeah. I'm
Straight?
here.
Okay. Yeah. Hi.
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 So I wanted to ask, from being a chulbuli dabang girl to a martial art pro, how's your journey been?
Well, I'm far from a pro, but I did really learn a lot for this film, and I feel it's fantastic when you get to learn something new and apply it for a film like this. It's a very satisfying feeling. But yeah, the journey has been fantastic. It's been, I've played, a great lot of characters, and I think it's all come together for this one moment for me and Akira, and I'm really, really happy and satisfied with the journey. So yeah. But still, there's lots more to come. Picture abhi baki hai, mere dost.
Okay, let's have the next question. Who's asking the next one?
Okay, whoever gets the mic, please ask.
Hi, ma'am. I'm a very big fan of yours. So my question is, which is your favorite Snapchat filter?
I've said it, yeah. That one pinky one filter comes. It's really nice. It just makes you look like really chisel. And yeah. What a profound question. Like you must have thought for so long for
And
this question.
We also like it that the guy is asking us that.
Yeah. And a boy is asking me. Okay, next.
Yes.
Hello, Akira.
Hi.
From being a student of MMK and now coming here to promote your film, how was your journey?
Baby, I was student of NM and Jai Hind, not MMK. But thanks. वो भी बन जाएंगे. It feels great to be back. Always, I feel like whenever I come back to college, it feels really, really good. And in fact, when you saw the teachers and the principal and everyone come on stage, automatically my hands go like. It's just like everything comes rushing back, and it feels great. And to have a crowd like y'all, to have such energy and such warmth and such madness is always fantastic. It just really pumps me up and gives me a lot more energy to go and put my
Hello,
film out
ma'am.
there.
I want to ask you a question. Why only a woman-centric film and not another film?
What?
Why only a woman-centric film? This is your first woman-centric film. So I want to ask you questions about it.
When I do other films, you all say, why you don't do woman-centric films? When I do woman-centric films, you say, why woman-centric film? Kare bhi to kya kare, yaar?
But you're killer in the role, let me tell you that.
Thank you.
You
Then,
own
bus,
it.
no, then why you asking questions?
Just
Why, what, when,
asking.
where, who, how? Just watch it and enjoy.
Okay, I think we have taken one question, yeah.
One question here. You move a leg here. Come. She said move a leg. Okay, let's move a leg on stage. Oh no, hi. Hello? Kaun? Kaha? Kidhar? How's the weather down there? Come. Okay, I'll sit. Arey, now. Okay, now put on the music. She wants to dance. She's already dancing. Dance. Come on.
है रंजिशें तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ जिंदगी
Gone to some other genre of song and dance and. Did you see me do a signature step? I was breaking things. Do you want me to break the speaker? Get me a hockey stick. That's my signature step. Anyone?
What's your name? What's your name, by the way? What's your name? Hitiksha.
Hitiksha.
She's also working. She's left work and she's come up. Come, let's
Thank
get
you,
back to
Hitiksha. You were very entertaining. I love you too.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Careful. I love you too, guys. Thank you so much.
Great.
for
I
having
think
me
we've had questions from the college. We have our esteemed members of the media who are here. So let's open the floor for questions from them. And can we please have mics for our friends of the media?
Yes. आज इतनी शांति आज नो क्वेश्चंस अच्छा माइक पास हो रहा है
Hi Sonakshi.
हाय वेयर आर यू
Yeah.
लेफ्ट राइट सेंटर प्लीज से
Towards the right.
हाँ
सोनाक्षी सोनाक्षी अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ तो आपने आईफा में लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दिया था, फिर इश्क एक गाना गाया और आज लाइव परफॉर्मेंस दिया, तो आप क्या आप ऐसा माना जाए कि आप ज़्यादा गाती नज़र आएंगी लाइव परफॉर्मेंस में भी और फिल्मों में भी, और कितनी नर्वस थी जब आपको परफॉर्म करना था स्टूडेंट्स के सामने?
वेल कोशिश तो वही रहेगी. आई डू इवेंचुअली वांट टू हैव अ करियर इन म्यूजिक. मुझे सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग का बहुत शौक है. दिस साउंड लाइक दैट कुछ कुछ होता है डायलॉग. आई लव सिंगिंग एंड डांसिंग. सो या बट आई एक्चुअली डू. सो होपफुली अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा करके मैं और गाना चाहूँगी. एक सिंगल मैंने रिलीज़ किया था इश्क, अभी मैंने अकीरा के लिए गाया है. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट मेरा पहला गाना इस फिल्म के लिए रिकॉर्ड हुआ है विद विशाल एंड शेखर हु वर अ ट्रेमेंडस हेल्प टू मी. और आगे जाकर भी मैं और गाने रिलीज करूंगी. सो या इवेंचुअली दैट इज द प्लान.
सोनाक्षी एक सवाल और कि आपने इंडियन आइडल में एक कंटेस्टेंट को प्रॉमिस किया था, उसे गाने का मौका मिला, इसके बारे में आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
मैं खुश हूँ कि यू नो ये जो मैंने उसे प्रॉमिस किया वो विशाल शेखर के द्वारा वो it came true, and I'm really happy for our film because Nahid is supremely talented. उसकी इतनी खूबसूरत आवाज़ है. I mean जब मैं वहाँ पर बैठी थी जज के चेयर पर, मतलब मैं सुनकर उसकी आवाज़ कुछ I used to get goosebumps. So I'm really happy that she's been able to sing for this, and I'm happy कि I was able to keep my promise.
Hi Sonakshi.
Hello.
Sohail.
Hi Sohail.
How are you?
How are you?
Congratulations to you. The song is superb.
Thank
Your
you.
voice too.
Thank you.
Being a woman-centric film, action-oriented film, action के लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ी, और ये जो particular ये जो pose है, how did you come up with this particular thing? How was it decided? और अकीरा का मतलब क्या होता है? This is your character. Would you say something on it?
पूछो मत यार, बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़े. But it was very tough. To papad belne pade but khane nahi pade. Yeah, that's the thing. I think it was very grueling, very hard training I had to go through mixed martial arts में. और I had to work on myself ताकि ये convincing लगे. ये एक बहुत ही अलग टाइप का रोल है. I don't think ऐसा पहले attempt किया गया है by a heroine in Hindi films. So I feel that for me, I wanted it to look very convincing and ऐसा ना लगे कि यार ये क्या कर रही है. But I'm really happy जो response trailer के लिए मिला है, and I'm sure कि film में भी आप लोग appreciate करेंगे मेरा hard work. और ये pose, ये ऐसे ही हम लोग shoot कर रहे थे और मैंने बस किक मार दी. I mean.
And Akira, what does Akira mean? It's your character, and what does it really mean?
Akira is actually a Sanskrit word, and it means graceful strength, which really applies to this girl in the film. She is graceful and she is strong, and she knows where to use her strength and her power.
Hi Sonakshi.
Yeah.
Hi Sonakshi, this is.
Hi.
Can I
Sonakshi, अगर हम डायरेक्टर की बात करें, या ओके,
हाय,
अगर हम मुर्गेदास की बात करें, हॉलीडे से लेके गजनी से लेके नाउ आकिरा तक, उनको हम कभी भी स्क्रीन पे या ऑन स्टेज दिखाने जाते हैं, ऐसा क्या रीजन है? बिकॉज इज इट सक्सेस?
उनका स्क्रीन पे क्या
मतलब कभी भी मीडिया के सामने बहुत कम देखा जाता है, सिर्फ
बहुत शाय है.
तो
या वो बहुत शाय है. जिस तरह की फिल्में बनाते हैं उससे तो पता नहीं चलता है कि एक शाय इंसान ऐसी फिल्में बना सकता है, मतलब थ्रिलर्स एंड एक्शन एंड मतलब धमाल वाली फिल्में. बट ही इज़ एक्चुअली क्वाइट अ कैमरा शाय पर्सन ऑल्सो, एंड इन जनरल ही इज़ वेरी शाय.
On
Hi
set
Sonakshi, this is Mayur here from.
Also, and in general, he's very shy.
On
Hi
set
Sonakshi, this is Mayur here from Sinistan.
Hi, Mayur.
I've obviously liked the trailer. The trailer was like a rage, and even the song is great. What we are seeing lately is the leading actresses of Indian Hindi cinema, like they are more and more taking, solo leads. So can we say that, like from here on, that the leading divas will no longer play second fiddle to the Khans and to the main actors? And my second question is, isn't it ironic that at a time where Sonakshi has turned into truly Dabang with Akira, there are reports which say that you will not be part of Dabang 3. And there are
You
also...
didn't read the reports that came after that.
Can you just tell me
You only
that?
read that.
Yeah, but I sent you a message, but I didn't get any reply. There was a report saying that you've kind of had a fallout with Salman Khan. Would you like to comment on that, please?
I would like to comment on the first part of your question, which was that are women taking up more central characters? Yes, they are, and I think it's about time that they did. And there are some great characters being written out for women in today's films, and I'm really, really happy for that. And the audiences have become so much more accepting of, what they're watching on screen. So I think it's a great, great time to be a woman in Indian cinema. Yeah.
Okay. Now the second question, please.
Sonakshi, Abhishek, you're on your right hand side here.
Hi. Arre.
What's up?
Your phone is still in your hand.
I told you last time. Wherever you go, I'm going to be tracking you.
Wherever, okay.
All right, so you sound rocking, absolutely rocking. How long did it take for you to record this song and talk something about the video? You're just breaking things. Is that you in real life?
I had a lot of fun doing that, boss. I don't get the chance to do it in real life, but when they told me to do it for this song, I was more than happy. I was like just losing my plot, and it was too much fun. But surprisingly, the song, I walked into Shekhar's studio and Vishal Shekhar's studio, and I was out in like half an hour. And Shekhar was like, 3-4 और गा के चली जा, मतलब इतना जल्दी हो गया है तो. So it was a lot of fun. It's a great song. Shekhar was a great help, while we were recording, and I'm glad that you like what you hear. Yeah.
And why Akira as the film for your, playback debut?
Why not?
I mean, is this, like planned or something?
No, it wasn't planned. It was actually very spur of the moment. I was shooting the video, and that's when the Fox team came to me and they said, why don't you try and sing the song? Because while I was shooting, I was like singing it, and they heard me there, and they were like, you should give it a go. And I was like, okay, let's do this, and I did.
Right. Any expectations from an album from you, maybe in the near future?
Hopefully. I want to. I won't lie about that. I definitely want to at some point of time in my life. But when that happens, I won't be able to tell you now. But I will make it happen.
Are you up for taking a request right now?
No.
Please. One live unplugged version, please. What? Unplugged, without the music of this.
Okay, I'll give it a go. है रंजिशें तेरे मेरे दरमियाँ जिंदगी गुंजाइशें समझौतों की दूर तक दिखती नहीं अब तू जी ले या मैं सांसें लूं जिद करना अज रज रज के मैनू चाहे रुला अज रज रज के मैनू दे सजा अज रज रज के दिल सहने लगा दर्द बेदर्दा
Hello. Sonakshi, hi. Jyoti from Zoom.
Love you for this.
Love you, man. Long time.
सोनाक्षी हाय ज्योति फ्रॉम जूम मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि हाल ही में अरबाज से बात हुई थी तो उन्होंने कहा था कि रज्जो और चुलबुल पांडे के बिना फिल्म नहीं बन सकती है तो आप होंगी थर्ड पार्ट में है और कब से शूट होने वाला है आप बताना चाहेंगे
आपने इतना सब पूछ दिया वो ही नहीं पूछा वो आपने सवाल मेरे लिए रखा जो मतलब एक्ट्रेस है फिल्म में प्रोड्यूसर से ही पूछ लेते ना अच्छा होता
तो कुछ कंफर्म करेंगे कि क्या है शूट
आप अरबाज को कॉल कर दो ना प्लीज if you don't mind, please.
Hello, Sonakshi.
Hi, Sonakshi. Sonakshi, here. अनुराग कश्यप फिल्म में है, मेन विलेन है, बहुत एक्लेम फिल्म मेकर भी हैं वो, तो क्या कुछ ऑफर मिला आपको उनके साथ काम करने का और क्या कुछ सीखा आपने सेट पे रहते हो उनसे?
नहीं फिलहाल I don't know what he is making, but इस फिल्म में उन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन काम किया as an actor, as a villain. He's very very menacing और in fact मैंने उनसे कहा था कि he should act some more because he was so good in the film and trailer में भी he's been really appreciated. उसके अलावा कुछ ऐसी बात नहीं हुई है. Yeah.
हेलो सोनाक्षी, आज हम कॉलेज में हैं, देखा जाए तो प्रमोशन के लिए, तो आपके कोई हसीन पल है जो कॉलेज लाइफ में जो शेयर कर सकते हैं?
हसीन पल?
हसीन लाइफ.
हसीन पल तो मतलब बहुत है, but नहीं मतलब like PG-13 हसीन पल. I क्या यार मज़ा आता था. I used to go play lots of sports in college. मैं वॉलीबॉल बहुत खेलती थी, फुटबॉल खेलती थी, बास्केटबॉल खेलती थी, क्लासेस बंक करती थी अटेंडेंस लेने के लिए. मैं वॉलीबॉल से मतलब मेरा अटेंडेंस मिल जाता था तो मैं स्पोर्ट्स कोटा में. तो ये मेरे हसीन पल है. हसीन.
Hi Sonakshi.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Alia Bhatt in a recent interview.
Where are you?
I am towards your right, third row. Yeah. Hi. Alia Bhatt in a recent interview said that slut shaming is the reason why actresses don't, or even I think actors don't open up about their relationships. So do you agree with her?
That is her opinion. I think everybody has a different reason to do so, and I think let's finish this event about Akira, and then I'll have that discussion with you some other time.
Okay, last two questions. Members of the media.
Sonakshi, hello.
Hold on, last two questions. Members of the media.
Sonakshi, जैसे पोस्टर पे लिखा हुआ है, there is a message, no one will be forgiven actually.
Yeah.
हमने पोस्टर में देखा और कुछ वो गानों में देखा, बहुत ही गुस्से में है, and कुछ नजरों से भी वो कातिलाना टाइप के लग रही है उसमें. अगर रियल लाइफ में बात करें तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज जो है जिससे मतलब यू फील गुस्सा आ जाता है और आप कह दोगे कि you will not be forgiven actually, you know, मतलब
इतनी सारी चीज़ें, and I'm sure that everybody will agree with me. मतलब गाड़ी में आप एक ट्रिप मारो जू से लेके बैंड्रा तक तो हम सोचते हैं हम टैक्सीज क्यों भरते हैं, मतलब जाता कहाँ है? That is why I think no one should be forgiven. There are so many reasons, so many things happening in the world over all the stuff that makes us so angry, and I feel that now is the time for us to speak up, make our voices heard, stand up for something, stand up for ourselves, stand up for humanity, and yeah, these are the things that that are happening around the world that make all of us angry, and no one should be forgiven for that. Yeah.
Okay, last question, members of the media. We're taking one last question.
Yeah, I want to ask, how does this song fit in the film, and what is the meaning of the song according to you?
Well, it's a song about rage. You heard the song, you've heard the lyrics. It goes very, very well with her character. This ideally is a promotional song, and I'm really happy that you guys have liked it. And in the film, it just describes the way her character is, the struggles that she has been put through, and how she comes victorious over those struggles. Yeah.
Thank you, members of the media. I'm sure you want some pictures, so we'll
Thank
do
you.
some
Thank you,
pictures.
thank you everybody for being here and supporting me in this Akira journey. Thank you so much.